Well, hello there, chums. Right, so I have printed out all my cards. Here they are here. And I just printed them out on a normal sort of inkjet type printer. Then I've ordered these online, which are like Yu-Gi-Oh card sleeves. And you can get any card sleeves, Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, whatever you fancy. I like those because they look like they've got a black hole on the back. And then I got myself these. These are Magic the Gathering cards. Now they're called basic land cards, and you get them relatively cheap on eBay. So for a stack of like 50, you're looking at maybe, £4 or something like that, which I think is an okay cost to pay. I mean, the card sleeves were probably about an additional £4, so you're looking at about £8 or something. And as long as you've got access to a coloured printer, then this is pretty low cost way of doing it. Now what you can do is use like a spray mount or a prick stick and stick them to your actual card faces, but if you're sliding them into these sort of card holders, you don't really need them. So if you do ever want to just take them all apart and dismantle them and get rid of the land cards and resell them, you probably could. So I'm just going to put a couple together and show you what I mean. Okay, chums, although that they said that these would fit Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Magic the Gathering cards, they don't. They're actually exactly the same size and they don't actually fit in. So yeah, if you get Magic the Gathering cards, make sure you get Magic the Gathering sleeves. Right, okay. Well, luckily, luck would have it, I've got some Magic the Gathering sleeves, so yeah, I'm going to crack on with this. So all I'm doing is going to slide one of those Magic the Gathering cards into a Magic the Gathering sleeve, and then position one of these on top of it. Okay, so then it just gives it a bit more weight. Right, so after I've slid in the Magic the Gathering card, and just slid the actual card that I've printed on top of it, it feels quite nice. It feels pretty, pretty decent, good weight. Okay, so I'm just going to do that with the whole deck now, chums, and put them all together. So yeah, chums, although that I went to the whole palaver of buying cards off the internet and sleeves and things like that, what you could do is take the PDF files to a local print shop and have them printed on higher quality, higher weight card. Or if you have a printer, if you're lucky enough to have a printer that would take higher weight, glossier card, you could have just printed them straight onto the glossier card, and you might not need these sort of deck protectors or the Magic the Gathering cards. It's just a suggestion, and it works for me, mainly because I'm a player of Magic the Gathering and I really enjoy Magic the Gathering, and I had these laying about in my garage, and it's a fun way of doing it for me. But yeah, there are multiple methods that you could do, and they've come out quite well. Now these are only 72 dots per inch, so they're fairly low resolution, but as you can see, the end product, it looks fairly good, fairly sharp. So there we go. If you want to make them sharper, you probably could up the quality in some sort of paint program or something, but there we go. That's it. And that's my cards. I'm really enjoying these. They look fantastic. Okay, and if you check out the video description, you'll find a link to these cards on my website. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and on the screen right now, there's more content by moi. Please give it a click. There's also a subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that. Thanking you.